We're starting a new chapter now, and we're going to talk about some of the collaboration tools that are available in later versions of AutoCAD. Now, AutoCAD is now a subscription based product. It's a subscription based application. You have to have an AutoCAD subscription. And the reason for that mainly is because everything's now going cloud based. And with your AutoCAD subscription, you get access to AutoCAD Web, which includes a browser-based version of AutoCAD and a mobile version of AutoCAD. So you can run AutoCAD on, say, an iPad or a phone, and you can view your drawings that are saved up into the cloud on your mobile devices. You can also view your drawings in a browser-based version of AutoCAD that you can sign into through a web browser. Now, in this particular chapter, we're just going to go through how that all works and how we can utilize those collaboration tools. So for that reason, we've got a new drawing for you. It's called GF-1031 Southeast Madison underscore cloud.dwg. And you can get from the file name what we're doing here. We're going to be working with the cloud. Now, when you look at AutoCAD on your desktop, as we are at the moment, if you go to the top right, you'll see a little head and shoulders kind of icon there. That little blue head and shoulders icon is letting me know that I am signed into my AutoCAD subscription. I'm signed into my Autodesk account, which allows me access to my AutoCAD subscription. That also gives me access to the AutoCAD web and mobile folders, which is my little assigned bit of cloud space where I can save my AutoCAD drawings. Now, to get access to those, when you're signed into your subscription of AutoCAD, they're up here on the quick access toolbar. There is the open from web and mobile, and there is the save to web and mobile. So if I click on open from web and mobile, what you'll find is I've got all these different folders in there, as you can see. Look, you can see I've got LinkedIn Learning, AutoCAD 2024 Essential Training, for example. If I come down here, I've got things like my AU folders. I've got loads of different drawings, all different drawings that I've worked on. You'll notice there's my test version there of GF 1031 Southeast Madison Cloud. I've even saved that to my AutoCAD web and mobile folders already to test that it works and it saves okay. So that's how quick and easy it is. Now, you may find if you click on that open and save to web and mobile for the first time, you might be prompted to install a little piece of software, a little driver from Autodesk. Just install that and then it's done. They do sometimes also send out updates and patches for that when they improve it and change it slightly and so on. So just be aware of that. But this is where the cloud-based technology is beginning to be brought into AutoCAD. And the good thing is, if you've got your drawings saved to the cloud, collaboration is easy. Because if it's in the cloud, someone else can also look at your drawing in the cloud, perhaps in AutoCAD Web, perhaps in AutoCAD Mobile, and make some edits while they're out on site. You will then see those changes to the cloud-based drawing and you can edit, tidy them up accordingly. Someone might email you and say, oh, go to this cloud-based version of the file. I've made some changes out on site. Can you check them for me? So there's all this technology now with the cloud that allows you to work quickly and effectively with your AutoCAD drawings and collaborate really quickly and effectively as well.